we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of ApexNexus Treadmill with handles, portable small treadmills. Consists of the following features. Compact, quiet, and powerful, the 3.0 HP foldable treadmill for home and office. Upgrade your fitness routine with this 3.0 HP treadmill, delivering a stable and powerful performance with speeds up to 6.2 mph. Perfect for everything from light walks to high-intensity interval training. Designed to be ultra-quiet, it's an ideal choice for home use and office setups without disturbing others. The easy fold design saves valuable space, making it perfect for small apartments or shared workspaces. A 3.5-inch LED display keeps your workout data visible at a glance, including speed, distance, and calories. Convenient one-touch buttons and dual cup holders enhance the usability. Its multi-layer shock-absorbing running belt features a special anti-slip texture for added safety and joint protection, ensuring a smooth, comfortable, and safe workout every time. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.